Today we're diving into something every Kyocera user needs to know: how to replace your toner on the 2, 3, and 4 series Kyocera devices. Trust me, it's easier than you think, but there's a cool trick you need to know about. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Copy. Kyocera's got this unique locking feature that only lets you replace the toner when it's completely empty. This means you'll never waste toner or replace it too early. When it's time to swap out your toner, the device will let you know by popping open the toner door. Let's break it down step by step. One key thing to note: when your black toner is empty, that same cartridge becomes your new waste toner bottle. Go ahead and pull out that old black toner cartridge. But remember, don't toss it out. This empty cartridge is now your new waste toner bottle. Next, you'll notice a gray plastic piece on the old black toner cartridge. Flip it 180 degrees. This step is crucial because it preps the bottle for its new job. Now open the waste toner compartment on your device, take out the old waste bottle, and pop in the new one you just prepared. Now, grab your new black toner from the box. Give it a good shake about 10 times. Then insert it into the device with the gray cover facing down. Close everything up and bam, you're all set. If you are replacing the color toners, it's the same deal. Open the door, pull out the old toner, and pop in the new one. Just make sure that this black piece on the new cartridge is down before you close it. The used toner cartridge can be thrown in the recycle bin, or Kyocera offers a free eco-footprint toner recycling program that allows customers to recycle their used Kyocera toner cartridges. For more information on this program, please click the link below. And there you have it. Your Kyocera device is ready to roll again. Replacing toner doesn't have to be a hassle when you know the ropes. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call or visit our website, ais-now.com. And remember, you can worry less with AIS.